Hello, how are you children? I hope everybody fine. My last video, that is video number 4, you studied about the meaning of probability and related concepts. Today I will explain how to find out probability by mathematical formula. For that you have to understand some new concepts. Let us discuss each one. First one is experiment. Take out your book and check it. What is experiments is a situation involving chance or probability that leads to result called outcomes. What mean experiment meaning activity. By activity you are getting outputs. Through experiment you are getting outputs. That outputs we are telling outcomes. That activity we are calling experiment. Random experiment meaning any activity. A random experiment is that in which all possible outcomes are known, but the exact result of a trial cannot be predicted. When you are doing an activity, you know what are the outcomes can come out from an experiment, but the exact result you can't predict. That is called a random experiment. Event meaning through experiment what are the outputs coming, outcome coming. Each outcome we are calling event. An event is one or more outcomes of an experiment. One event, when a coin is tossed, is getting a head. Tossing, that is experiment. Getting a head, that is an event. Getting a tail, that is also another event. Trial, what is my trial? In day-to-day life you already know about the meaning of trial. By trial, a trial we mean performing a random experiment, doing one activity. We don't know about the result. That is called a trial. Without knowing the result, without expecting a result, you are doing an activity. That is called a trial. By a trial, we mean performing a random experiment. Probability already we discussed in volume number 4. I already told you in this session we will study about how to find out the probability by mathematical formula. For that, this example you check it. See, when a coin is tossed, there are two outcomes, head or tail. These outcomes are equally likely. What is by equally likely? Equally likely means same probable, same chances coming. If one coin tossing time, you will get a head, you will get a tail. Half of chance. Other than this head and tail, nothing will be occur. That is the two outputs when you will toss a coin. That is getting a head, that is half chance. Getting a tail, that also half chance. So probability of an event is a number from 0 to 1. That means probability always lies between 0 and 1. See, in between 0 and 1 only half lying. The probability of an event is a number from 0 to 1. Probability of an event can be calculated by dividing the number of desired outcomes by the total number of possible outcomes. Let an event is represented by A, then probability of this event is given by the formula probability of an event A equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. What is the meaning of this formula? Probability, you want probability. First you have noted down that what you need from that experiment, that activity, what you expect, which output you expect. That is called a favorable outcome. What are the outcome can come from your experiment? What are the outputs can come from your experiment? That is called a total possible outcome. Through example you can understand. Find the probability of getting a tail when a coin is tossed. Coin tossing time, you know total outputs which are there. One head, one tail. That is two outcome will become total. But what you want that you want only tail. Tail one time only it will come. So 1 output you want out of 2, that is 1 by 2. Next, when a die is thrown once, then find the probability of getting a number 5. That means total number of outcome in a die, how many numbers are there? 6 face. Die is a cube. Cube already you know. 6 faces are there, 6 numbers are there. The total number is 6. But what you want? You want a number 5. 5 one number only. One face only 5 number is there. So 1 favorable outcome is 1. Only you need out of 6 one of the number, that is 5. Out of 6 one number, that is probability is 1 by 6. Next, a die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number. In die already here I discussed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the numbers in die. Out of 60 number you want prime number. Which are the prime? 2, 3, 5 are prime. Why these numbers are prime? What is the definition of a prime number? Prime number means it has exactly 2 factors, that is 1 and other than 1. That means the number itself. So 2, 3, 5 are prime. Prime numbers, how many numbers? 3 numbers only. Out of 6 number, you want 3 number. So probability is 3 by 6. The cut out, you will get a 1 by 2. Next example, I will discuss in video number 6. You go through this example and understand the definition.